All right, good morning, everybody. It is Tuesday, December 3rd. Meech the Money Honey bringing you the morning market overview. We're looking at the S&P right now. It's relatively flat. We do have some economic news coming out around 10. So even though we do have a buy signal here on the 15-minute chart, if you see, we're kind of dead in the even in the middle of this channel here. So I would be looking to go either way after this news comes out around 10 o'clock for job openings. Kind of same thing on the NASDAQ. We're dead in the center of this channel, even though we do have a strong sell signal and our targets are down below. I wouldn't be surprised if we shoot up because of the news and then sell off. So just watch for that. Same with the Dow, relatively flat. So we're all just waiting for this economic data to come out. Um, Pretty much it. That's as far as the futures go, we're mixed right now until that news. Bitcoin, we've been kind of bouncing around within a range as well here. You can see we've been kind of moving back and forth the past couple of days between these two channels. Slightly down. Looks like we may bottom out at around 94 today. So keep your eye on that. I mean, overall, the long-term outlook, we're in this gigantic bull flag right now. So once we break out of this, right now it's showing a lower take profit. But once we break out of this bull flag, it's going to be game on. So anyway, just watch for that volatility. Same with Bitcoin as we kind of move about through this range. Let's take a look at some of our larger plays. I do want to talk about Google because we had a breakout yesterday, which was pretty cool. Let me go back down to the hourly chart and you can see this a little bit better. So we were in this downward channel and then we got a strong buy signal at 9 a.m. Now, if you look carefully, we do have some higher take profit targets, but we are banging our heads up against this 200-day moving average. So I would not be looking to take any longs until we had a candle close above this 200-day moving average. And also beware, we've got some congestion here with this second resistance level. So don't be surprised if we come back down and retest before we move. But anyway, just keep your eye on these levels to see if we break through that and then shoot higher. But promising news, we do have higher take profit levels showing up from the algorithm. Let's take a look at Intel because we had some news come out yesterday. CEO is resigning, and so that caused a huge surge in buying on Intel. We've kind of been stuck in this downward channel, and that was positive news for the market. So we did have a buy, and then of course we returned back to the mean. If you know anything about statistics, usually we always revert back to the mean. So just keep an eye on this to see if we do pop out of this channel and start heading upwards, showing some positive take profit uh, levels outside of this downward channel. But I would want us to get above, again, the 200-day moving average before we're starting to take any definitive longs here. All right, let's take a quick look. I know we always want to look at NVIDIA. We don't think we looked at that yesterday. NVIDIA is, we've got some resistance here, a little bit of market manipulation on the 1 hour chart. Looks like we're going to be moving up to this 141 level that is right around this 200-day moving average. But on the long-term chart, if you look at the 4 hour, looks like we're going to be moving back up into this channel, and we're showing a second take profit level of around 150. So, just keep an eye on that. Promising though, we are above the 200-day moving average and the VWAP. So that looks pretty good. I would even consider taking a long here and riding it up to 150. So that's good news for all of our NVIDIA darlings out there. CrowdStrike. We kind of have been, running into some issues here within a range. The targets are still showing down, even though we are in this upward channel. So I would like to see a close above this pivot level, 354, before I started taking any longs. But that is on our 4 hour. Let's look on the 1 hour and see what kind of signals we've got there. Oh, we've got a higher take profit signal there, and that would be over the 200-day moving average. So that looks promising there. I would just say if you're trading this, make sure that you're looking to take profit around this 363. We've got this resistance level here at 368, and that still is outside of this normal upward channel, but we could create a new upward channel here with that. All right. Let's see here. Oh, I wanted to talk about Mara because it looks like Mara has decided to have a debt offering and then start buying some more Bitcoin. So I would not be surprised if we got another strong buy signal within the next couple of days on Mara. Right now, it still looks like we're in this downward trend and we are below the VWAP, but we could very possibly, bounce off of this resistance level here around the 200-day and then start moving up. Let's see if we've got any short-term signals here. Yeah, so that's promising. We do have some higher take profit signals on Mara, and that came out, I believe it was yesterday when we got that news, so that makes sense there. So we could very well bottom out and start moving up on this stock again. All right, that is all I have. I want to encourage you guys to please subscribe if you like what I'm bringing you. I'm going to be doing some shorter videos that talk about my criteria for swing trading. And then I know also you guys might be interested in how I screen for momentum day trades. So look for that. I'll be bringing that to you shortly as well. Thanks so much. Happy trading and have an awesome Tuesday. Take care.